started using Davis through our plumber, which I can't remember his last name now, Steve, but he's neighbors with Len, and he kind of hooked us up with him in an emergency situation that we needed, and Len took care of us, and been with him ever since. To date, at this point, it's just been for our refrigeration equipment at our restaurant. Very satisfied with everything. Yeah, so other than I think guys run a very good company. Everything is very timely, very reasonably priced. I think you guys do a great job. Thank you very much. Absolutely would recommend them.